Creating an effective promotional video is much easier than you think. These days, businesses of all types have started using video marketing strategies in order to market their brands. Big business has moved away from traditional types of advertising in order to reach their audience online and on mobile. By using video marketing, businesses can help improve their website's rankings, improve their customer engagement, and even build stronger relationships with their customer base. In order to promote your brand through video, it requires creating an effective promotional video. Well, that's what we're going to discuss. Let's look at business strategy. In order to create an effective video, you're going to need to have a strategy. Okay, your strategy should be based on the outcome you're trying to reach with the video. In order to make it effective, you need to know your audience. Now you can start by learning what your audience likes, what their behaviors are, their basic demographics, as well as their geographic location. Now once you know who you're advertising to, you can then concentrate on sharing what your products can do for them. And when we look at winning ideas, once you know who you're advertising to and why, you can concentrate on meeting your audience's demand for information in a new and interesting way. Now you should opt in and use the ideas that meet your audience's requirements as well as those of your own business. Remember, this is your first impression on some. You need to be straightforward and engaging with your video in order to share your winning ideas and build trust with the audience. Now we look at the script. Once you have the idea for the video, it's time to write out an actual script for the video in order to be able to record it in a professional manner. Now bear in mind that you're going to be creating a tale that shares with your audience why your business or product is so great for them. Now if you think like your audience, it will be easier to write out the script. Use your mind and create a virtual stage within your mind. Write down all the things that need to be there and the action that will take place. Be sure to write down all the details that you can think of. Now once it's written, proofread it yourself once, then have someone else proofread it as well. This will take time, but then you can make any revisions and changes to the script in order to refine the message of the video. As far as location, once the script is finished and you're ready to do the voiceover, it's time to find a location to record the video. Now the reason that you're creating the video will dictate where you actually shoot the video. If your video is going to be a sales video, you want to use one type of location. If your video is going to be informational, you need to find the location that will convey the exact message that you need to express with your video. Video creation. After you've found the location, it's time to shoot the video. Now you may be recording it on a small video camera, or it could be something much larger. Now either way, the results can be the same. Make sure that your video is engaging and it comes across with the message that you're trying to convey. If not, you may need to try it again. Now, there's quite a few ways to embellish your video these days, from animations to special effects to tricks that you can use when editing the video. Now you can use any tools that are available to you in order to achieve the desired effects that you're after. Now once it's finished, it's time to use the video to market your business or product. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Michael Carter. Go use these tips. We'll see you next time.